Hey everybody, what's going on? It is Randy Wolfe. Hope you're having a great day today. I'm talking about investor-friendly real estate agents in today's video and why you should absolutely leverage their expertise and have them on your team. So I actually am a licensed real estate agent myself, and I will admit, I do list some of my properties that I flip and that sort of thing. However, I still have relationships with other real estate agents, and actually in many situations will actually let other agents list my properties. And you might ask them, like, why in the world would you do that, man? Like, you don't have to do that. You could save the commissions and all of that. And it's true. And in some situations I do. However, leveraging real estate, investor friendly real estate agents is something that you can do, particularly obviously if you don't have a license, you definitely need to do that. But the key is investor friendly. And so what you can do, first of all, is on the acquisition side. Whenever you think about finding deals, oftentimes investor friendly real estate agents that work with other investors, they are obviously in the know of some of these deals before they ever even hit the market. In some cases, they actually bring deals to investors before they ever even list it. I just sold a property, or actually, let me back up. I just had put a property under contract, had an investor-friendly real estate agent the other day that told me he had a person that was looking for a property to fix up. And long story short, I had a property that became vacant. And I said, hey, man, I'll sell him this property if he's interested. Here's my price point that I want. I know he's an investor, so I will give him a little bit of a break. And we ended up negotiated a couple $1,000, and I said, sure. And so I sold, or I'm in the process to selling this property to this investor, and it was never listed on the market. It was an investor-friendly realtor that I'm friends with. He ended up basically bringing this buyer. He knew that I'm an investor and so on, and that's how that deal happened. Today, I have a property. As I'm shooting this video, I literally just spoke with him this morning, the realtor, and I have a property that went vacant, and I've owned it for a handful of years. I've got a ton. It's actually free and clear, but compared to what I bought it for, I'm going to sell it for a lot more. And I reached out and said, hey, man, appreciate that you hooking me up with the buyer. Do you want to list this property? And he said, absolutely. And so I'm going to let him list this property. Now, I could list it. Like I said, I'm licensed. But here's the thing. I'm going to continue to grow and build this relationship. And when he runs into opportunities with deals, he's going to bring me those deals. And he's also going to help me whenever I have properties that come vacant. If I want to sell them, like he and I are talking, he may be able to find me an agent or a buyer before I even put it on the market. I take good care of him. I pay him a good commission, all those things. This deal that he brought, even though it wasn't listed, I paid him a commission, or I'm going to pay him a commission. And so using investor-friendly realtors is a great strategy that can help you find deals, and then it can also help you sell your deals. And so if you think about, there's so many different strategies that we have with investing in real estate. And so you think about fix and flip. A lot of times there can be some really, really big profits in fix and flip. However, you can also lose money on them. And so one of the things that I've done here recently is I have several properties that I literally just bought them and I put them right back on the market. I bought them at a deep enough discount to where I could put them right back on the market, and there would be enough profit margin there to take care of my acquisitions guy, to basically take care of, turn a profit for the company. And that is something that you can absolutely do if you have an investor-friendly agent. You can literally buy a property at a deep discount, have an investor-friendly agent either list it for you, or they may know someone that's looking already. They should. And they can end up literally bringing you a buyer for that property. And in some states where there's, wholesaling, in South Carolina, wholesaling is pretty much dead. You can't, but in other states where it's with wholesaling, you can still use agents that are working with investors, and they can potentially help you disposition your wholesale deals. Now, they're not listing it, because if they do that, there's a whole other process. It's called a novation. I won't get into that on this video, but basically they can be the connector, and you can still pay them for their services, of course. And then last thing I'll say, and then I'll close, is this, like, do what is going to be in your wheelhouse to make you money and make you successful. Is showing properties really the best and highest use of your time? That becomes the question. Like for me, I know that it's not. Showing houses on the weekends and trying to deal with all that is really not the best and highest use of my time. And so that's another reason why having an investor-friendly real estate agent can be a huge advantage, because now I can literally be in multiple places at one time. Not literally, but figuratively. I have the agent that is going to handle the disposition side of that, and I'm not getting bogged down talking to people or trying to show properties. And so you have to think about that, and that was the last thing I wanted to say, is just think about the highest and best use of your time. So I hope this video has been valuable. If you haven't, be sure, we have a private community. It's currently full right now. We're not taking any new members, but if you're watching this video at a later time, it may be open. And then also too, I'm launching a 90-day program to where you can actually work directly with me, not with other people, like directly with me, where I will coach all new and aspiring real estate investors. It's a group program to help with cost. And so if that is something that you're interested in, be sure to check that out. I will put that link in the description below whenever that is ready. But as always, thank you for watching today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.